Let us now move on to how does Lifephase helps you to earn while you enjoy our products. We will show you how you too can be a part of this unique business opportunity.
This is an excellent hybrid compensation plan developed by one of the best US-based MLM consultants. Hybrid plans are currently the most popular type of plans in the US. Lifephase is the first company to launch a hybrid compensation plan in India, providing the company with a first mover advantage.
There are 9 ways to make money in the Lifephase business. Fast Start Bonus, Binary Team Bonus, Unilevel Matching Bonus, Free Tree Business Center, Leadership Bonus Pool, Producers Bonus Pool, Retail Bonus, Star Retailer Bonus, and Contest and Promotions. We will discuss these steps in detail one by one. But before moving into showing you the business plan, let us understand some of the terms commonly used and how you can get started in the business. To join the business, you need to invest membership fee of Rs 444. All products have predetermined points called CV. That stands for commissionable value. Your incentives are paid against the CV earned by you. GV means group volume and PV means personal volume. The first step to earn income is the Fast Start Bonus. Fast Start Bonus is your medium to make instant money in the business. Here you receive bonus for personally enrolling people under you. Isn't that great? This means you get a Fast Start bonus of 10%. That's 1000 CV, which equals Rs 100. This applies to your entire direct recruit in the business.
The next step or medium which helps you create wealth or earn more money in this business is called the binary or team bonus. The very purpose of this is based on Life's principle of helping others to succeed in life by joining the business. In this case, the commission is earned on the purchase made by your right or left leg in the business.
Let's say you have a right leg A that has joined the business under you and a left leg called B who is also your business associate and has joined you. A makes a product purchase worth Rs 1111, that is equal to 1000 CV, and B does purchase worth Rs 1500, that is equal to 1200 CV. The purchases made here by A and B help you earn extra income in the form of commission. You will earn a 10% commission on the CV earned by your right or left leg, whichever is lower. In this case, it's A who has earned 1000 CV, and hence you become eligible to earn Rs 100 against the CV earned by your weaker leg out of the two.
Similarly, when more associates who are your direct recruit or are recruited by your people join the business under your right or left leg, you become eligible for bonus on the GV done by your group. This is known as binary or team bonus.
For example, there are 2 new recruits C and D in your group who join the right leg below A and 2 new recruits E and F who join the left leg below B. Both C and D together do a CV of 2400 on the right side. On the other hand, E and F do a CV of 2000 in the left leg. Here, you become eligible for a 10% commission of the weaker leg for the total team CV. The weekly capping for binary bonus is 2.5 lakhs.
The third step to earn income in this business is the Unilevel Matching Bonus. This bonus comes to you in the form of reward for training and supporting your team. So the more you train and support your team, the more you earn.
For example, all directs introduced in the business by you will be D1. Directs of D1 will be D2. Directs of D2 will be D3. Directs of D3 will be D4. Every Lifephase business owner can have unlimited directs. So you can have unlimited people in your 7 generations. You earn extra matching bonus on the binary commissions earned by your personally sponsored Life is business owners and business owners sponsored by them. The percentage you get depends on the rank you have achieved. In other words, all the people from generation 1 to generation 7 fetch you 10 to 25% of their binary income. The fourth step to generate income is the Free Tree Business Center. While building the business, as and when you achieve binary cap, that is your weekly CV target, 2 times in 4 consecutive weeks, you earn a free tree with Life is. This gives you an advantage of a power leg to earn commissions as you start building the weak leg in your free tree. The fifth step is the leadership bonus pool. 1.5% of total company's volume each week is distributed to leaders who qualify as Diamond, Platinum and Palladium ranks. This is a weighted bonus depending on the growth in leaders' team volume. The sixth step is the producer's bonus pool. Here 1% of all CVs generated by Life is business owners during a 13-week period is distributed to top new volume generators. Top 10 producers are weighed by their new volume commissions. Retail sales is your 7th medium to generate income in this business. This is similar to open market transaction, wherein you are the retailer A and you buy products from Life is at a discounted price and then sell this to your customer on marked price. The differential from this transaction becomes your immediate profit on the sale of the product. Star Retailer Bonus is your 8th step towards earning more in this business through increased sales. Additional discounts and rebates are achieved on higher volume sales. On personal purchase between 2,500 to 3,999, you get a discount of 4%. Between 4,000 to 5,999, you get a discount of 6%. Between 6,000 to 7,999, you get a discount of 8%. Between 8,000 to 9,999, you get a discount of 10%. Between 10,000 to 14,999, you get a discount of 12%. Between 15,000 to 19,999, you get a discount of 14%. Between 20,000 to 24,999, you get a discount of 16%. And for purchase beyond 25,000, you get a standard discount of 18%. Well, doesn't it sound like a festive season around the year? The company awards and rewards its Life is business owners for their hard work through various contests